Hey guys, I pre-ordered the Samsung Galaxy S20 and I want to do a couple videos on, unboxing the S20, maybe a review on it itself, but then also kind of comparing it to the S10. And this is not the Ultra, this is the regular version of the S20, and I'm going to be taking it out of the box. Alright, let's go ahead and start getting the cardboard box that is shipped in open. Do this off screen. There we go. Some airbags here. Thank you for your order. And here's the actual S20 box here. Let's put this aside for a second. And that's in here. There is the OTG adapter here. And that's it. Alright, so here's the S20 5G box. Let's go ahead and get that opened up here. Immediately you're greeted with the phone, and you've got the manuals, and I believe the SIM eject tool right here in this little mini box here inside. And then let's get this out here. There's a little pull tab. So here is the S20 in all its glory. This is the gray one that I got. And this is not the Plus or the Ultra. It looks like they got a screen protector on behind it and in front. Overall, it just feels like it's a little bit slimmer than the S10. It thinner than the S10 as well. I think that might have been from, them removing the the headphone jack there. So that's cool. Let's put this aside here. And then you've got a little cover, I believe, of some sort. This is kind of cool. And then you have AKG headphones, but no headphone jack, so I'm not really sure. There's probably an adapter in here. We got the power cable, and you got the power brick, which is matte black. Shout out MKBHD, matte black everything. It looks nice. It looks pretty good. And then this box here looks to be empty. There's nothing in here. Probably just a placeholder. But yeah, that's about it. It's it's pretty bare bones in there. I did pre-order the I ordered the Galaxy Buds Plus with this phone. It was a pre-order bonus. They were giving out some more I guess money towards that, so I went ahead and got those. They're not here yet. I'll probably be doing a review on those as well. I am going to do a comparison, like I said earlier, of the S10 and the S20 as far as the physical dimensions, but also performance, stuff like that. It's probably going to be pretty obvious this is going to be a faster phone. It's going to be a nicer phone overall. But for people with small hands, I don't have huge hands, and I was concerned that this phone was going to be an issue because it was even bigger than the S10. But I think because they made the screen flatter and kind of thinned out the phone, it's definitely something that you can handle pretty comfortably. All right. Thank you guys for watching the video, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.